Hello everyone, welcome to PS Design. In this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create this wallpaper using any photos in Photoshop. Let's begin. So for this tutorial I am going to use this photo. So there are two ways you can create this effect. So if you have the latest version of Photoshop, then it's going to be very easy for you. Just right click on this background layer and convert to a smart object, and then go to filter, pixelate, and then go to mezzotint. Now from here you need to select this option, short lines. Select that option and then click OK. And now once again go to filter, blur, and then radial blur. Set the blur method to zoom and quality to best, and set the amount to 100, and then click OK. We need to apply the blur effect once again, so just go to filter and then click here and then click OK. Now once again go to filter, distort, and then twirl. And for this angle value you can use any value you like. So for this tutorial I am going to leave it to 50 and then click OK. And now click on this icon so that we can change the blend mode. You need to double click on this icon and now change the blend mode to lighten and then click OK. Now if you don't like the colors, just create a hue and saturation adjustment layer and change the color. Now I like this color, so I'm going to leave it like that. Also you can increase the saturation as well. And now let's see the second method. I'm just going to duplicate this photo into a new document. Just click here. And once again we need to do everything same as last time, but we are going to do it in two different layers. So first go to filter, pixelate, and then go to mezzotint. Make sure the type is set to short lines and then click OK. And then once again go to filter, blur, and then radial blur. And blur method should be set to zoom and quality should be set to best, and amount should be set to 100, and then click OK. Once again apply the same effect, filter, and then radial blur. And now we need to duplicate this layer. Just drag and drop it onto this new layer icon. Now just hide this layer and select the background layer and go to filter and then distort and then twirl. Now for this layer I am going to leave the angle value to 50 degree and then click OK. And for this new layer we can just change the blend mode to lighten. Now if you want to change this wavelength, then go to filter and then distort and then twirl. Just drag this slider to the left side, and once you are satisfied, just click OK. And this is how you can create this kind of effect in Photoshop using any photos. Now let's create a new hue and saturation adjustment layer and change the color a little bit. Also increase the saturation a little bit. Now all we need to do is crop this image so that we can make a wallpaper out of this image, or you can use it as it is. Now select the crop tool, and then from this drop down menu select 16:9, because most of the computer monitors have 16:9 aspect ratios because of their resolutions. And then just move the image a little bit and resize it. Now if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.